Alrighty guys, we have another video, and finally ended up getting some green gas from a friend of mine. So we're not going to shoot the P96, that'll be another video entirely. But we are going to shoot a WE Tech P38. You may have seen it on my Instagram channel that I posted. So, this is a WE P38 German Walther P38, a German pistol from World War II. Well, not from World War II, but a replica of the World War II pistol. So, I've already got the mag loaded up. I just need to put green gas in it, so we're going to do that. And the gun is on safe. Can't. So, we've got the safety part down. Now we're just, oh, nope, that's the wrong one. If I didn't put enough green gas in it, we're about to find out. Ooh. Yeah, I surprisingly put the exact amount of green gas in it. If you notice I jumped, it's because I'm still not used to blowback pistols like this. So, I can shoot a real gun because I know what's going to happen, but sometimes these guns can be a little bit scarier if you're inexperienced with using them, like I am. So I'm used to the non-blowback pistols. So this is still something new. With the rifles, I can handle that, but pistols, not so much. Because you never know if you have your hand up too high to the slide or too low. And that's how you know it's empty. You drop the mag out by this little thing right here, and there you go. Put that into the safe position and let the slide go forward. Click the trigger to make the hammer go. And that's it for the P38. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe. And yeah, like and subscribe.